Well, it's just a question of holding their nerve now for Bosnia as they lead Group G on goal difference and Greece with 2 to go. All they've got to do is win both, or at least match what the Greeks do. As Greece were meeting Slovakia, as we just seen, only Germany with 28 had outscored Bosnia, who hit 25 along with England, and they were on form as well here tonight. Lihtenstajn with the opening goal. Didn't score in the last 2 internationals, but he had hit 5 in the previous 3 before that. It's not very often that he actually has a barren spell. Next up, it was Misimovic who was on target. The 31-year-old who began his career with Bayern Munich over a decade ago. This year he's over in China. And ending his career perhaps there. That is his 25th international goal. And next up on the 38th minute, a player who's bang in form this last year, Ibisevic. 19th international goal on his 50th cap here tonight. Great start to the season with VfB Stuttgart as well. He's got half a dozen goals there, including 1 hat-trick against Hoffenheim earlier in the month. And the goals, they were flying in here because it was only a minute later that Dzeko got his 32nd international goal. 4 goals inside 39 minutes, the job done. 29 goals now scored in the qualifying campaign. It was a bit more low-key in the second half, apart from one moment. It was this one, when Hassler would get a goal for Liechtenstein. He'd actually made a bit of a headline, getting himself sent off against the Greeks in September. The night's only high point then for Liechtenstein. Well, just the 1 game to go, and they've got to hold their nerve, Bosnia. They've got a huge goal difference advantage lead over Greece. The last thing they want, of course, is a potential playoff, as they, if you remember, drew the Portuguese in the last 2 playoffs and lost both of those. And there we are, that is how they stand, equal on points. Huge goal difference. As long as they outdo what the Greeks do in the final day, then they are through.